beautiful queens. Sino ang pet nyo? Candidate number? Okay. I am going to vote the first runner-up Echo Queen and the woman or candidate which will not be called will be automatically hailed as our first ever Echo Queen 2023. Our first runner-up for Echo Queen is candidate number 12, Shaq Kawili. So that means Victoria Salidad is our first Echo Queen 2023. Please step forward here for photo op together with the advisor. Picture po.
This coming